paste my BNB wallet address right here. As you can see right here, send right here. Boom, good job. 14,569 coins has been sent to your account. So, as you can see guys, currently as you can see I have 3,239 Satoshi of BNB. This will show you guys that this website actually works and it's legit. So guys, the website I will be using today is called Gua. Don't worry, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So what you need to do is to click on all you do is to click on the link in the description box below and you'll be brought to this page. So basically what you do here in this website is you earn Gua coins, and at the end you convert these coins to any cryptocurrency of your choice. As you can see right here, it says start earning cryptocurrencies on the best website in the world by doing tasks, firewalls, surfing, faucet, and short links. As you can see right here, if you scroll down, you can see the amazing features of this website. You can see Gua coins. Gua coins is very easy to get. All you need to do is to click on links, and those links you just wait for a few seconds, and after those few seconds you click on the captcha and you receive your coins. You receive Gua coins, and don't worry, like I said, these coins you'll be able to convert these coins to any cryptocurrency of your choice. As you can see right here, fast payment. All payments are sent fast once you reach the minimum withdrawal using the method you choose. These are all things that you can do here on this website. So basically what this website does is that it gives you Gua coins. So once you click on short links, you'll be given Gua coins, and these coins you can convert these coins to any cryptocurrency of your choice. Well guys, when you get into this website, what you're going to do first is to click on register right here. When you click on register, you'll be brought to this page. So what you simply do here is to enter your email. So enter your email right here, and you choose any username of your choice. Then from there you enter your password, choose a unique password, repeat the same password, then you click on this captcha, I'm not a robot, then you hit the sign up. As you can see right here, we have 13,805 Gua coins. All you need to do is to click on this three dotted this three line icon right here, the right upper corner. Just click on it. This display icon, we see this display right here. So as you can see right here, we have surfing, we have earn, we have offers, we have games, we have advertising. You can see right here, so you click on this surfing, you'll be brought to this page. All you need to do guys is to simply click on links. You click on this link, you can see right here, this link will click. Once you click on this link, wait for 8 seconds and we'll fill in the recaptcha when we earn 250 Gua coins. So let's click on it guys. We'll click on go. You can see right here it started counting. As you can see right here, so just wait for it to finish counting. Once that will fill in the recaptcha. As you can see right here, click on I am not a robot right here, and wait verify. As you can see, and we'll be brought to this page, and you can see right here, boom, we just add. As you can see right here, we have 250 coins added to our account. Good job. As you can see right here, good job. 250 coins has been added to your balance. As you can see right here, so we just do the same thing for the rest. As you can see right here, this will take us 4 seconds and we'll earn 125 coins. Guys, another great way of earning this website is when you can click on this end right here. You click on this end right here, you can see right here, we have forcing, we have daily bonus, we have short links, we have tasks, we have happy weekends. So what it simply means guys, you just click on links. You can see right here, for this one, let's go on this short link. You want to click on this short link. As you can see right here, when you complete this offer, as you can see right here, we have 10 times to complete this offer, and after that we'll earn 299 coins per offer. As you can see right here, per click we earn 299 coins per click to complete this offer. As you can see right here, and we have 10 times to complete this offer, and this other one we earn 120 coins per click. The maximum time we can do this is twice, and this guys comes up every day. So with this short links, you're able to get free Gua coins by just clicking on this link guys. So what you need to do is to click on this go right here. When you click on the go, we will be brought to a page like this, and all you need to do is to click on I am not a robot right here. I'll hit verify. Then click here to continue. As you can see right here, your link is almost ready, so just wait for a few seconds. As you can see right here, a few seconds for our link to be ready. As you can see, getting link right here. You can see get link. As you can see right here, 299 coins has been added to your balance. All you just do is to complete. As you can see right here, we've exhausted one, which is nice. Is now 9 over 10. So you just need to do is to do this, complete the 10. You do this also, complete the 2 offers, then you earn free Guaha coins. As you can see right here, like I told you guys, in this website you can earn up to $100 every single day through Guaha coins, and these coins you can convert it to any cryptocurrency of your choice. As you can see right here, you need to do $100 Guaha coins, soft capture and claim now. As you can see right here, I urge you guys to use this platform because this platform is 100% legit. Let me show you how you can withdraw directly to your crypto wallet. And I have when I first started, I have 13,000 plus Guaha coins in my account, but right now, as you can see right here, I have 14,569 Guaha coins in my account. So all you need to do, let me show you how legit this website really is. So how you can withdraw your Guaha coins, convert it into any cryptocurrency of your choice. So what you need to do, guys, is also click on this line icon right here on the right upper corner. Once you click on it, then you go to wallet right here. Once you click on wallet, then you scroll down. You have to scroll down, guys. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, you can withdraw your, convert your Guaha coins into Doge, Litecoin, Tron, Zcash, BNB, which is a bit Binance, Digibyte, USDT, and Fay. As you can see right here, but all these are affiliated with Pay. So for you to be able to withdraw your Guaha coins into your crypto account, you need a Pay account. So if you don't have a Pay account, you won't be able to withdraw your coins. You won't be able to convert your coins into any cryptocurrency of your choice. And you can see right here, for me to be able to withdraw my Guaha coins, I will need to log into my Pay account. With me, guys, let me show you how this is done. As you can see right here, guys, my Pay account right here. As you can see right here, when I scroll down to Binance Coin, please take note of this. I currently have 1,626 Satoshi of BNB right here, and click on deposit. Don't worry, I won't deposit anything. I just want to take my wallet address. So you have to scroll till I get to BNB right here. As you can see right here, this BNB, guys. All I need to do is to copy. All I need to do, guys, is to click on copy. I've copied my BNB account, so all I need to do is go back to this web to the website. I will click on BNB. I will choose BNB right here. Choose BNB. I'll come here and paste my wallet address right here. Paste my BNB wallet address right here. As you can see right here, once this 14,569 Guaha coins equals to 1,714 Satoshi of BNB right here. So all we need to do is to after that, after placing my wallet address, we simply need to do is to click on send right here. As you can see right here, boom, good job. 14,569 coins has been sent to your account. So I need to do is to click on OK. You can see right here, currently I have 0 coins on my Guaha account. So I need to do is to log into my Pay account. Let me show you my current. As you can see, guys, currently, as you can see, I have 3,239 Satoshi of BNB. This will show you guys that this website actually works and it's legit. And you can see right here, statistics, coins collected today. As you can see right here, wallet estimates, and coins collected today 0.008357 dollars. As you can see, payout received today 1. As you can see right here, guys, payout received today 1. Reward point 11. As you can see right here, received from, as you can see right here, 13 January. As you can see right here, received from Guaha coins 1,713 BNB. As you can see right here, 13th January 2022. You can see right here, I have also received, these are some other coins that I've received from Guaha. You can see Guaha coins. As you can see right here, this will tell you that this website actually works and it is 100% legit. From here, I'll transfer from my Pay account. I'll transfer this BNB to my Trust Wallet account. You can see right, this will show you that, guys, that this website actually works. And you can see right here, all you need to do, guys, is click on the link in the description below, and you'll be brought to this page, and you will start earning. You can actually earn these coins without mining. But if you also want to mine with this website, let me show you how you can mine cryptocurrency using this website. So all you need to do is to click on this three line icon in the right upper corner. Click on it, then you come to earn right here. When you click on earn, as you can see right here, this is mining. Once you click on mining, when you click on mining, you need to click on get started right here. Then you input, as you can see right here, your Litecoin wallet address. So you can only mine Litecoin. So what you need to do is to paste your Litecoin address right here and click on start mining Litecoin into your account. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and become a part of the family, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.